guys, today I've decided to do another type of unboxing video, and this is more about the products that I use, and I am happy to use vegan and cruelty-free products. And sometimes I use things and in the past I used things that I wasn't really aware if they were tested on animals or not. I don't think any makeup should be tested on animals. I mean, animals don't wear makeup. They have different skin, fur. It's inhumane and, it's just wrong on so many different levels. So I want to make sure that I use cruelty-free products because I just refuse to use the other stuff. And then I don't want to spend a lot of money on a lot of expensive products, so I tend to use my favorite, which is e.l.f. I did use Wet n Wild and e.l.f., but Wet n Wild actually does test on animals in some form, so they are not totally cruelty-free. But these guys, so far, have been proven to be on a PETA good side. So that's what we will be unboxing, and I can share some of my just the routine that I do with these couple products that I got. Yeah, this is my face before makeup. I did pluck today, and I did trim the nose hair, and I shaved this stash because I am European and I am very, very hairy. Like, hairy scary. So I did my eyebrows as well. I don't know if I said that already, but I'm not wearing my glasses, so it's just gonna see what happens with that. So this is the first time I actually ordered online e.l.f. products, because I'm always able to get it, in person, but there's always just really limited amount of products that are in some stores, and since Corona, I don't want to go to a bunch of stores and risk myself getting more exposed. So we have this little inspirational thing in the box, and so there's just lots of openings. Ooh, I see my stuff. I mean, packaging is pretty basic. It's just throwing in there quickly. But that's okay. I don't have to have a pretty box for it to work, to do what I need it to do. So first thing, this is an item that I have not tried out from them yet. It is a oh my god, I need my glasses. BB cream, SPF 20. And this is to replace an item that I have been using, but come to find out, they're not really anything good. This is what I lived with for years, but now, since I've worked on Chicago Med for over 4 years, I had to figure out a quick way to look fresh. Long hours. You just have to look fresh, because even though I wasn't on camera, I was setting up cameras with my face for the actor, and I just didn't want to look like shit. But I didn't have time to, I didn't want to put a lot of stuff on my face either. I don't want to be all caked up for just, behind the scenes kind of work. So it didn't make sense for me to put a bunch of makeup on. Just enough to look fresh, but nothing overdone. Second item, I have not used that either. I've used a different type of oil before, so I'm very excited about this. See how that face gonna glow. It is Sun-Kissed e.l.f. Booster Drops. So I'm gonna apply that. And another item, I just ordered 3 items, and I love this. This I can't live without. This is a Radiant Moisturizer with coconut, SPF 15, and with I can't even say it, but with the acid that makes your skin all glowy and plumpy, whatever. But I love this. And I've been using this one already, so but I'm kind of running out of it, so I saw that and I went for it. So e.l.f. also, if you do buy online, they tend to not only give you like free shipping for a certain amount of money, and it's not very high, it's really low amount comparing to other boxes that you have to spend. They also reward you with free items, and it can be who knows what, because you find out at the end. They give you a list and how many items you can get for free. So I actually got 2 lipsticks. Score! And with their lipstick, it is vegan. They also use less lead, if any, than most of the high-end companies. So, and I eat my lipstick like it's food. So yeah. First we will do, let's try, I'm gonna try this. If I can get this open. I'm not sure where my scissors went. Oh my goodness. Alright, you know what? I can't get this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is just refreshing drops, if this is what I've used. They have several different types. I need my glasses because I can't read these. There we go. Okay, Sun-Kissed Booster Drops. These concentrated drops can be used alone or added into any foundation. So I'm just going to I like to put them on my hands because I have more control over distribution. Okay. I'm not a makeup expert and artist, so I mean, you'll be the judge. If it's glowing, it's great, but it feels like I have moist cheeks. All right, so this, and then I will be trying this. It's the BB Cream SPF 20 sunscreen. And it says 15 minutes before an exposure, and then reapply 2 hours after. But basically, for me, this is what I would use it for. And it is, ooh, came out really quick. Basically, I just want to cover like my dark circles and red nose. So maybe a little, got some zits going, all kinds of mess today. But this is purely because you want to see what happens with these products. So just want to apply. This is really creamy, I would say. And I did put that oil on first, which probably was not a good idea, but oh my god, where's this hair coming I like to massage it in. Maybe tap it a little. I mean, it is looking really moist. I can't tell if this is making me look weird. Is it really blending in? I don't know. Again, audience will be the judge. I like that it's got this healthy shine and glow. My goodness, I don't want to see my face that close. Whew. Damn. Alright, but this product, I'm just going to test it out because I already have one open. I still want to finish it. It's a nightmare looking at my face up close. Whew. Okay, so it is exactly the same thing. So I love this. This smells great. Coconut. So if you like coconut, it is foundation as well. So I'm gonna be like a glow stick of some multi-shade glow stick. Anyways, so it is creamy. Again, smells delicious. So I'm just gonna do my forehead since you already. Oh, and it's cool too. Like it's nice and cool to touch. Just feels like nice hit of moisture. Let's see. Yeah, and this one will give you a glow, but it's not, and it will cover up. Just like this is a little heavier than I'm used to using. Like I said, this is brand new to replace this shit. They test anything that is, I think, made in China as a cosmetic. The government actually wants the companies to test on animals. It's like a requirement. I don't understand that, but yeah, I don't want to buy anything that's tested on poor creatures. So this smells and still give you that little covering. So if you just want to do like under eyes to feel fresh, look fresh, that would be these three would be amazing. Like, you know, it's not for like to go out on the night, go out at night, you know, for evening out. But I also use this is for my brows, goes with a brush. And I also use, well, not very frequently, but this one is a super thin eyeliner, which this would be like in my bag to travel or anything that I'm doing. So this is moisturizing pink. Some people say pink, some people say pink. It's very pink. Let me check the other one. So these two lipsticks were free. The more you buy, of course, the more free stuff you're gonna get. So this is a velvet matte blushing brown. They had a lot of pink and mauve type shades, or red. I already have red. So this is pretty brown. Still looks pinkish to me. So maybe I'll do that one. I gotta be in the mood for pink. Ooh. This is definitely dark. And I don't wear a lot of lipstick. I like matte though. Sometimes glossy, you know, depends. Oh my god. So I like this. This is not too bad. What do you think? I don't know. Nobody's talking back to me in the camera. So that's pretty good, you know. I spent $30 and I got things that I love using. This is $10. So that's $10. but it's worth it. It lasts for a long time. I've had the other tube and still some life in it, so I'm still gonna continue to use it. This wasn't that bad. I think it was $6. And then whatever this was. And then you also got 2 lipsticks. I think that's not bad. What do you think? I'm going to test out another box. Probably not as many items because I don't need, like I said, I don't wear that much makeup unless I'm doing videos, doing some photo shoots or auditioning or going on like an acting job or whatever. But otherwise, I usually will do the oil and the little either foundation or the moisturizer, and then brows. I have to pencil my brows. They're really thin, especially when they're groomed. So it just looks like you have makeup, but you really don't. You just put on a couple things and you're ready to go. Alright, well, thanks for watching, because this can be too entertaining. But if you're watching, then thank you, and subscribe to my channel. And I will be doing another beautiful piece on clothing box. I don't know why, but I'm gonna check it out. Thanks for watching. Dobranoc. Do widzenia. Whatever.